Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Tulsa RV. We're looking at a brand new 2025 Redwood luxury fifth wheel. This is the 4200 FL. Let's take a look. All right, as we start off on the front, the first thing you're going to notice is a very large storage area. That's because this has a drop frame. So the whole front of this RV is a little bit lower, so it provides a lot more storage. You also notice the water here is on a manifold system, so you can isolate each individual water source or the entire RV. You have central vac, that is all the filters and stuff are outside. It's very well neat and organized and finished out here in this storage bay. Full pass-through. Right next to that, you have a 30-pound propane tank, one on this side, one on the other side. This is a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Right? We look up, of course, this being a luxury fifth wheel, we have awnings everywhere, we have frameless windows, full body paint, step above step. You have your extension handle over here. Upgraded suspension, right? This is, again, top of the line. In the back here, we also have full storage all the way through. So for somebody who's full-time and this is a dream, you have tons of storage. The back is finished like a fiberglass cap, so when you're driving down the road, it kind of looks like a Class A. So you have your ladder permanently mounted, there's a utility hitch, and you've got a backup camera. Your power cable is on a retractable reel, so you just press the button and it rolls it back up for you. To pull it out, you just pull, obviously, right? Here's the other side of all that storage. By the way, one of your sewer connections is right here as well. This is a big unit. There's another connection for sewer right here. It's sort of under the slide. It's a little hard to get to, but no worries. I believe the poles are all up here. Or it could be, these could be automatic drains as well. It's electronic, so I don't see the panel, but a lot of that would be inside. You just push a button and it drains itself automatically, which I love. Here's your water connection, your water base. So this is where you hook your water. There's a filter system, not just a regular filter for filtering out normal particles, but this also comes with a portable soft water system. So that's amazing.
Love that.
Right?
Yeah.
Here is your other 30-pound propane tank. Okay. And let's get a look at the numbers here, Lisa.
All right.
This has a gross vehicle weight of 16,885 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,055 pounds. All right. As we move around to the front, this is what I call the utility area. The door that's closed, it's not on a hinge. It's got this little thing right here. The connection for that is on this door, which I'll show you in just a minute. So anyway, you have storage up front, up top, and then I'll close this so you can see what I was talking about. This little contraption right there, excuse me, this hooks right into that. And now it stays open. So that would be where you'd put your generator. You can see over there, that is your battery compartment. So I'll just lower this down. Now, you have an upgraded more ride pin box. All right. So that's it for the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside. We want to thank Larry and Jacob for having us here at Tulsa RV. And if you see one of the RVs here that you love, make sure you give them a call, 918-234-0000, and make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. Now, this being an FL stands for front living, and as you see, we are all the way up in the front of this RV. You have 3 seating areas, 2 love seats, which pull out to become beds. All right, they are very comfortable. And then you have your theater chairs over here. These are all electric. Ooh, that is very comfortable. And of course, I'd love to recline, but they're all electric and we're not plugged in, okay? If you turn around, there is your absolutely gigantic TV, Lisa.
That is really big.
That's going to be at least a 65. I mean, that is really big.
I do think that probably is 65.
It's the whole wall, guys, to give you reference. Here I am.
It is.
By the way, if you didn't know, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you nothing, and it really does help out the channel. The reason why I said that is, if you look at my height, I'm not, I'm 3 inches from the ceiling. And so I can walk every ounce of this RV and not have head height restrictions, okay? You also have a gigantic fireplace underneath there. That also might be the largest fireplace I've seen in an RV, Lisa.
Love it.
Right? There's power. You've got some cabinetry here as well, right? So that's this. Let's just point out a little bit of the woodwork, right? This being, luxury fifth wheel. There's a lot more detail in this rig than you'll see in other types of fifth wheels. So let's go down and take a look at the kitchen and dining area, Lisa.
Let's do it. I love this kitchen. This is just absolutely beautiful. You have solid surface everywhere. You've got this nice island here. You have a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. Oops. You've got your
So that would be your soft water?
Yes. Underneath, you actually have a dishwasher in this unit. There's plenty of storage. You've got your trash here.
Actually, that would just be drinking water. I'm sorry.
Yeah. And over here we have some storage drawers. These two are the same size, and you have a really tall drawer here in that underneath. Over on this side, look at all this prep space that you have. Isn't that amazing? Residential appliances. So you've got a 4-burner stove, huge oven. You can cook the Christmas turkey in there, Thanksgiving turkey. Plenty of storage.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Isn't that beautiful? Soft close.
Nice.
And then look at the detail. I love the glass work with the bubbled and detail in there.
Some old-fashioned glass.
Convection microwave. More storage. More drawers and storage over here. Now, over here is your coffee bar area. So you actually have wine storage as well as tall storage over here.
Coffee and wine bar.
Yes, right?
Smoothie bar.
Yes.
It's just a bar. By the way, real tile backsplash, guys. It's not faux. Okay. And there's another sort of, I'm not going to call it a bar area, but let's just call this your entrance area, right? So when you come in, you can drop your keys here, your wallet or whatever. And there's a couple little nooks right here for things, right?
Yes.
So you also have a little bench here. You can put your shoes on, hang your coats right there. Right? Beautiful. Cool lighting fixture over the island.
Isn't that nice?
It's really nice. All right. Over here is your table. This pulls out so it can seat 4. There's a charging plate here. You get that little sort of buffet back area there. So you could use it as an office, put a screen up there, keep your condiments, whatever. This does have day shades and night shades. All right. So when the day shades are down, nobody can see in, but you can see out.
Love it. We almost forgot this beautiful refrigerator freezer. Look at this.
Yep. Side by side.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Right.
And it is residential. Nice. Nice. All right. Can't forget that refrigerator. Right. So let's go up to the bedroom. I say up because remember the storage in the back of this underneath from the outside? That means this whole back area is raised. But as we go in there, there's also another coat closet here.
Nice.
Okay. And I was thinking if there was some storage underneath there. Now, just like the front, there's no height issues with me. In fact, this area here, you could be 6'9" and not touch the top. So, what size bed is that? I couldn't tell you. It's on a retracted bed, meaning for the slides to come in, the bed has to go up the way that you see it here, because the bed would come into here, and this is also on a slide. But during the daytime, if you want more walk room, or say you want to do yoga here or whatever, you can put that bed back like you see it, and you have lots of room here. So
tons of room in here.
So let's get a width on this thing. Since it's on a retraction system, I'm assuming it's 80. That's 72. So it's an RV King, right? There are no nightstands to the left of the bed, but they are right here, sort of at the edge. And there's power down there on the ground. And so if you have a CPAP, you can do that. And I don't see power on this side, Lisa.
I just see the USB.
USB up top?
Yeah, I don't see power here either.
Yep. So, yeah, I'd really like to see power on this other side too. What if both people have a CPAP, right? So there are drawers underneath the bed for more storage. Yep.
Love it.
Okay. Across from here is a bank of drawers. There's 9 of them. They're really deep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. It's because we're on a slide. Mm-hmm. Your TV. There's a closet here for hanging things.
Very nice.
Yep. And then as we get into the bathroom, Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
As I said a minute ago, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. So I'm sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet, and as you can see, there are zero issues with length, with width, none of it. So this is definitely good for the taller fluffy. Okay? Directly across from me is your vanity, single basin, undermounted sink. In fact, that's all one piece. There is cabinetry everywhere, guys. So this is not a medicine cabinet because it's mounted directly to the wall, but you have flanking cabinetry for all them drugs. Okay? Wish the shelves, there'd be more shelves in there, though. Okay? Storage underneath and drawers. You also have this cabinetry over here. So whether you want to hang some more clothes in here, there's your other two chairs for the dinette, too, by the way. This area here, I guess I would put towels for the shower. Okay? Before I climb in the shower, this does have room for a stackable washer and dryer. In fact, it's already there.
Love that.
Right? And a shelf above for all of your laundry soaps and stuff. Okay? So let's climb in the shower. It's a nice big shower. Two-person shower. And again, I don't have any height restrictions up here, at least at all, which I love. In fact, standing in the bubble, I'm not even going to measure that. You could be over 7 feet tall and stand in the bubble. But again, 6'9" everywhere else. You've got an upgraded shower head, rainfall shower head. You got a wand, little soap dish up here, which is great. There's a bench here in the back, right?
I love that the shower head is actually tall enough you don't even have to bend to get underneath.
Well, I would duck anyway, just, because I want a little bit of room for my hands, right?
Right.
The only thing, to be honest, and again, I'm surprised, other than the soap dish right here, there's no place for your shampoos and things. There's no other shelves in here.
Oh.
So, yeah, my two things, and you guys tell me that if you're watching the video, the power by the bed, there should be another electrical outlet here. Let's look on the side just to make sure we didn't miss it. No. So I'd like to see an outlet here and a place to put shampoo bottles, right? I mean, this has an MSRP of $207,000. What they sell it for will be less, probably $180, somewhere around there. But, for that kind of money, there should be power there, and there should be a place to put your shampoo bottles. I don't know. Is that just me being crazy? I don't know. Again, leave a comment below and tell me what you guys think of that. All right? Do you agree?
Yeah, that would be nice.
I mean, yeah, you can go buy one of those little corner, shelf things and put them down there, in the corner of the shower. But, at 190, 180 grand, I want it all in there.
You would think that it would have
I want it all in there. Anyway, again, let us know what y'all think. Until we see you again somewhere else on the road, be safe.